Hey Patrick, I am too. When I put this break together, I thought, man, this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor, fourth break of the night, and let me tell you, I have been pulling some unbelievable heat tonight. I only say that to say some nights when it's hot on all my breaks, and I'm sure hoping that is the case tonight. We've got 5 baseball mega boxes. Bowman Platinum, 100 cards in that box. Supposed to have 2 autographs. I've been pulling usually 2 numbered cards also. It almost feels like a hobby box to me. We have a Bowman Chrome Mega with those mojos in there. I've been having a little bit of luck with numbered or auto cards in those mega boxes, so hopefully that'll happen tonight. A Topps Chrome Mega Box. The brand new Donruss Optic. I opened my first mega box earlier tonight, and boy, we got some good cards out of it. And then a Prism Mega Box. 5 of those things. We're going to be hunting all of those big rookies, all of those big names. And in the case of Bowman Chrome, we're going to be hunting. Some of those brand new prospects that are out there. Rodriguez and anyhow, there's some good ones. And so hopefully tonight's going to be one of those breaks that I'm telling everybody about tonight. Well, I'm going to be doing more of these, Patrick. I would love for you to save me as a seller. I've got some of the new product in baseball. I've got a little bit of old product left. I love mixers. Try to put them together every once in a while. I do a Facebook mixer break. Been toying with the idea of doing a 2020-2021 baseball mixer. I've got a Topps Chrome Mega Box from last year I'm needing to do something with, and some Bowman Platinum hangers. So anyhow, I've got plans for that, thinking about doing it, and would love to have you come back. Hopefully you'll be pleased with how I run my breaks tonight. Okay, as far as that, I will tell you I'm the type of breaker that I do show all cards. I call all players by name. I also call the team by name. I want you to know every card you're going to get before this video ends. I do ship all cards. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top loaded. And I will have these cards in the mail to you before my post office closes at noon in the morning. All right? Well, let's do this. Let's just start with this Prism. It's up here on the top left. We've got a total of 44 cards. A 12-card bonus pack that's going to have Teal Wave, Carolina Blue, Cosmic Blue. Prism has 1 autograph in it, a whole slew of other stuff. And here we go. Good luck, everyone. There's that 12-card bonus pack. And we are off and running. Got a rookie card, Andy Young to the Diamondbacks. It starts us off. Tyler Glasnow to the Rays. Here's Jorge Ona, San Diego Padres rookie card, and we've got a green. And it's a rookie, Philadelphia Phillies. Picks up a Mickey Moniak green Prism rookie card. Not a bad start. Garrett Crochet rookie, Chicago White Sox. Joey Gallo to to the Texas Rangers. We have a Fearless insert, Laureano to the A's, and it looks like a silver emergent Chicago Cubs, Miguel Amaya. All right, that's pretty sweet. Congratulations to the Cubbies. Chris Bryant to the Cubs, Jacob deGrom Mets, and I think we might be at our autograph card. We are. Minnesota Twins, Edward Colina. Edward Colina, Silver Prism debut signatures, Edward Colina. There you go, Minnesota Twins. You're on the board with our first autograph tonight. And here you go, Pirates, rookie class, Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie insert. There's one of the big names we definitely want to get tonight. We've got him once. Hopefully we'll get him plenty. Taylor Trammell, rookie to the Mariners. Sixto Sanchez, Marlins rookie. Starling Marte to the Marlins. And Lumber Incorporated insert, Juan Soto to the Nationals. Ken Griffey Jr., Mariners. Zach Plesac to the Indians. Joe Adell, rookie to the Angels. And there's a Sluggers Juan Soto. So Lumber Incorporated and Sluggers Juan Soto cards, back-to-back packs. Rod Carew going to the Angels. Cal Ripken Jr., Baltimore Orioles. Stained glass, Mike Trout to the Angels. And a silver illumination. Wow, look at those colors. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Toronto Blue Jays, silver illumination prism. Two more packs before we get to that bonus pack. Luis Garcia, rookie, Nationals. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa to the Rangers. Javier Baez, Cubs. And championship stage, Corey Seager to the Dodgers. Espinal, Toronto Blue Jays rookie card. Miguel Yajur, Pirates rookie card. Clayton Kershaw to the Dodgers. And another green. We got a green rookie in the first pack. Not a rookie, but a star. Randy Arozarena to the Tampa Bay Rays. Now let's check out all this color. All right. Brandon Woodruff, Brewers. Here's a New York Yankees Clark Schmidt rookie. Josh Hader to the Brewers. Anthony Rendon, Angels. Chris Bryant, Cubs. Come on, rookies. Andy Young, rookie to the Diamondbacks. Jazz Chisholm, rookie to the Marlins. I like that one. Luis Castillo, Reds. Here comes the next color. Luis Garcia, rookie to the Nationals. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, Texas. Jacob deGrom to the Mets. Joey Votto. Cincinnati Reds got a nice handful of rookies here, including Jazz Chisholm. I really like that one. No, Chris, I sent you a message. I know you're good for it. I'm not going to give your Yankees away. Too good of a customer to me, I know. All right, here comes Optic again. Like I said, I opened my first Optic earlier tonight. We've got 48 cards, an 8-card bonus pack that's going to have Red Wave in it. One autograph in this box also. The autograph I got in the first mega box earlier tonight was numbered to 99. Oh, I I know the grind. I tell you, I'm tired. I'm ready to shoot my alarm clock. It's been going off at 5 o'clock in the morning. All right, here we go. Optic. Kevin Gausman, Giants. Javier Baez, Cubs. We've got a silver Mike Trout to the Angels. Wow. And a rated prospect, Matthew Laboratory, St. Louis Cardinals. Pretty good start to this box, I would say. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Blue Jays. Here's Rafael Marchand, rookie to the Phillies. Diamond Kings, Santander to the Orioles. And we have a Unleashed Aaron Judge, New York Yankees. Chris, I know you're going to like that one. Yeah, it was a fairly rough break, but maybe that Aaron Judge has you going here. Austin Meadows to the Tampa Bay Rays. Here's a Jared Kelenic, Mariners rookie card. We've got a Mystique Silver, Milwaukee Brewers, Christian Yelich, Silver. Mythical. I said mystical, mythical. And a Jose Ramirez mythical insert to the Cleveland Indians. Charlie Blackmon, Rockies. Jake Cronenworth, rated rookie to the Padres. Here's a silver rookie. Wow. Atlanta Braves. Silver. Optic. Prism. Christian Pache. There's no doubt this box is rolling right now. And a T-321 Jeff Bagwell to the Astros. Anthony Rizzo, Cubs. Josh Donaldson, Twins. Rookie, Christian Javier to the Astros. And rated prospect, here you go, Tigers, Spencer Torkelson. What's up, Bobby? Ramon Laureano to the A's. Josh Fleming, rated rookie to the Rays. Here comes a silver Pete Alonso. New York Mets and Arhari, the rookies to the Texas Rangers. Dansby Swanson, Braves. Jimenez, White Sox. Diamond Kings, Christian Yelich to the Brewers. And a mythical Christian Yelich also to the Brewers. Back-to-back Christian Yeliches. What's up, man? I saw your name when I was doing my paperwork. Good to see you. Ronald Acuna Jr., Atlanta Braves. Paul Goldschmidt to the Cardinals. What do we have? A silver lights out insert. These lights out evidently are maybe a little tougher to get than maybe the mythicals. And here's a silver Jacob deGrom, New York Mets. And if you are a New York Mets guy and you're like, I like that card, but I don't like it in silver. Now, I'm not sure anybody would ever say that. But just in case you like this card, but you don't want it in silver, the next card is not in silver. 2 Jacob deGrom lights out inserts. One is a silver prism. 2 more packs. One of these should have an autograph. Here's Xander Bogaerts to Boston. Tim Anderson to the White Sox. And wow. Texas Rangers, Sam Huff autograph. Boy, that is sweet. That is sweet. The Rangers. Rated prospect is Mackenzie Gore San Diego. Congratulations, John. Brian Anderson, Marlins. Mickey Moniak, rated rookie to the Phillies. Keibert Ruiz, rated rookie to the Dodgers. Rafael Devers, T-321 to the Red Sox. Now for the Red Wave. Andrew Vaughn to the White Sox. There you go. That's a good one. Corbin Burns, Milwaukee. Suarez to the Reds. Gleyber Torres, Chris, to the Yankees. Diamond King, our second sweet, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. of the night for those Blue Jays. Rookie, David Peterson, Mets. Rookie, Clark Schmidt. That's our second color card of Clark Schmidt, I believe. And Tanner Houck, Boston Red Sox. 4 rated rookies in that pack. We're going to go to Topps Chrome, then Bowman Chrome, finish with Bowman Platinum. One X-Fractor in each pack. It says we could get an autograph. All kinds of stuff. Negative cards, prisms, numbered cards. All of that's available in Topps Chrome. All right, Justin Upton to the Angels. Here's a Luis Patino Padres rookie. George Springer to the Astros. Future Stars, Jesus Luzardo to the A's. And Tyler Stevenson, X-Fractor rookie, Cincinnati Reds. Francisco Lindor to the Indians. Here's Paul Goldschmidt to the Cardinals. Jose Abreu to the White Sox. And we're not guaranteed an autograph. We're not getting an autograph. We are getting a numbered card. Oh, Chris, you're going to be happy about this one. It is a green Clark Schmidt rookie, 68 out of 199. The X-Fractor, another rookie, Alejandro Kirk to the Blue Jays. First 2 packs, both have X-Fractor rookies. Carlos Santana, Royals. Jock Peterson, Dodgers. Jose Ramirez, Indians. Refractor, Bryce Harper to the Phillies. Not a bad card there. And Chris Davis, X-Fractor, Oakland Athletics. Marcus Semien, A's. Didi Gregorius, Phillies. Christian Javier, rookie to the Astros. Brandon Lau, Rays. And the X-Fractor, Luke Voit, New York Yankees. Max Fried, Braves. Gleyber Torres, Yankees. Brady Singer, Royals, rookie. Here comes a prism. Francisco Lindor to the Indians. And a Garrett Cole X-Fractor to the Yankees. Back-to-back packs with a Yankees X-Fractor. Alex Verdugo, Boston. Chris Sale to Boston. Nick Castellanos to the Reds. Here comes a rookie refractor, Atlanta Braves. Oh, Bobby, it's William Contreras. And the X-Fractor, Ketel Marte, Arizona Diamondbacks. Jack Flannery, St. Louis Cardinals. Charlie Blackmon, Rockies. Miami Marlins, Sixto Sanchez, rookie. Dodgers, Walker Buehler. And X-Fractor, Minnesota Twins, Alex Kirilloff, rookie card. It's a good box. Every box has been good tonight. Christian Yelich, Brewers, Sonny Gray, Reds. Rookie card, Ryan Weathers, Padres. We have an international, Jose Altuve, Houston. And Ryan Braun, X-Fractor, Milwaukee. Jazz Chisholm rookie card to the Marlins. John Means, Orioles. Carlos Correa, Astros. We have a refractor of Andrew Benintendi to the Red Sox. And Tony Gonsolin, Dodgers, X-Fractor. One more pack of Topps Chrome before we go to Bowman Chrome. Jake Arrieta, Phillies. Rougned Odor, Rangers. Gurriel Jr. to the Blue Jays. Here comes a Cleveland Indians 35th anniversary. It's a rookie insert, Andres Jimenez. And our last X-Fractor is Devin Williams to the Brew Crew. All right, in the Bowman Chrome, we got 5 regular Chrome packs and those 2 exclusive Mojo packs. There's the Mojo packs. We'll save those for last. These regular packs sometimes have a bunch of rookies in them. Let's hope we get some of those packs. All right, Garrett Crochet, White Sox rookie. Ian Anderson, Braves rookie. Brady Singer, Royals rookie. Suarez to the Reds and Merrifield to the Royals. Tariq Skubal, Tigers rookie. Shane McClanahan, Tampa Bay Rays rookie. Joey Votto, Reds. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. And Gleyber Torres to the Yanks. Ariz to the Twins. Fernando Tatis Jr., Padres. Randy Arozarena to the Rays. Shohei Ohtani to the Angels. And Jose Abreu, Houston. Mike Yastrzemski, Giants. Jose Abreu, White Sox. Ronald Acuna Jr. to the Braves. Rookie card, Taylor Trammell, Seattle. And Christian Javier, rookie to the Houston Astros. Last regular pack. Deivi Garcia, Yankees rookie. Andres Jimenez, Indians rookie. Dave Dunning, Rangers rookie. Looky here, Dylan Carlson, Cardinals rookie. And Christian Pache, Braves rookie. Nice finish to the regular packs right there. As we head off to the Mojo, we're looking for first Bowmans. We're looking for numbered. We're looking for autographs. All right, here's a nice, it's not a first Bowman, but this is a popular guy. Julio Rodriguez, Seattle Mariners. J.J. Bleday to the Marlins. We've got a numbered card. Boston Red Sox, Nick York. It is a blue. It is numbered 114 out of 150. Boston Red Sox. Jeremy De La Rosa to Washington. And first Bowman, Julio Carreras, Colorado Rockies. Second Mojo pack. Hey, first Bowman, Houston Astros, Pedro Leon. Zach Veen, Rockies. Dawn of Glory, Toronto Blue Jays. Austin Martin, there's a big name. First Bowman, Shailen Polanco to the Pirates. And first Bowman, Alexander Vizcaino, New York Yankees. Pretty good box right there. 3 first Bowmans in that pack. And an Austin Martin, Dawn of Glory. Now for the Bowman Platinum. 100 cards, 20 packs, 5 cards per pack, 2 autographs in every box on average. Like I said, I've been getting some numbered cards too. All right, good luck. Okay, Nolan Arenado Cardinals. These are prospect cards. Robert Hassel Padres, Emerson Hancock Mariners, Cespedes insert to the White Sox, and a rookie card, Deivi Garcia to the Yanks. I got the hiccups. Never had that happen in a break. Here's a Mike Trout to the Angels. Prospect, Danson Brown Blue Jays, Omar Estevez Dodgers, Cavalli insert to the Nationals, and a Keibert Ruiz Dodgers rookie card. Well, Patrick, my buddy Christopher is not going to be upset about that at all. Bobby Dalbec rookie to the Red Sox. Drew Romo prospect, Rockies. James Beard prospect to the White Sox. And what do we have here? Autograph, Philadelphia Phillies, Mick Abel prospect. I guess that says Mick Abel. This guy was a first Bowman in the regular Bowman this year. Don't even have his high school stats on there. Luis Garcia, Washington Nationals rookie card ends that pack. William Contreras, Braves rookie. Jared Kelenic, Mariners rookie. Tommy Henry, Diamondbacks prospect. Ethan Hearn, Cubs prospect. And Bryce Harper to the Phillies. Joey Gallo, Texas Rangers. Francisco Alvarez to the Mets. Josh Means to the Padres. Numbered to 99, Alex Bregman Green, Houston Astros. 18 out of 99. And a Kim rookie, San Diego Padres. So one auto and one numbered so far in this mega box. Kyle Lewis Mariners, Austin Cox Royals, Alaric Soler to the Twins. Here's a Pena insert to the Astros, and Vladdy Jr. Toronto. Matt Chapman A's, Nick Madrigal White Sox rookie, Nick Maton Phillies, Eric Rivera Angels, and Sixto Sanchez Marlins rookie. Keston Hiura Brew Crew. There's another Spencer Torkelson to the Tigers, Kyle Harrison Giants, Meteoric, Ryan Mountcastle Orioles, and Whit Merrifield Kansas City. Yadier Molina to the Cardinals, Jared Schuster to the Braves, Matthew Allen Mets, renowned rookies, Cub Brian Hayes to the Pirates. What a sharp looking card that is. It's our second Brian Hayes of the night. Andres Jimenez, rookie to the Indians. Josh Bell, Washington, Ronald Acuna Jr., Braves, Alexander Vargas, Yankees, Maximo Acosta, Rangers, Joey Votto, Cincinnati Reds. Javier Baez, Cubs, Mason Martin, Pirates, Freddie Valdez, Mets, and Dodgers, Bobby Miller, numbered 15 out of 199. Prospect autograph, Bobby Miller to the Dodgers. Paul Goldschmidt, St. Louis Cardinals. Well, that's 2 autographs and 2 numbered cards, one of them being an auto number. Will we see another numbered card? Shane Bieber, Indians. Here's Daniel Cabrera, Tigers. Carmen Malozinski, Pirates. Lewin Diaz, rookie to the Marlins. And J.D. Martinez, Boston. Walker Buehler, Dodgers. Patrick Bailey, Giants. Ed Howard, Cubs. Renowned rookies, another Andrew Vaughn to the White Sox. Buster Posey to the Giants. Couple of nice Andrew Vaughns tonight. Jacob deGrom, Mets. Roberto Jimenez, Red Sox. Dylan Dingler to the Tigers. Renowned rookies, Clark Schmidt, New York Yankees, and Aaron Judge right behind him. Christian Yelich, Milwaukee Brewers. Ezekiel Duran, Yankees. Jake Eder, Marlins. And another numbered card to the Giants. On the week that he retires, we get Buster Posey, ice foil, numbered 60 out of 299 for the Giants. Our 3rd numbered card of this box. I'm telling you, it just feels like a hobby box. And Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie, number 3 on the night. We have 5 packs to go. I agree, that is very fitting. Here's Alex Kirilloff, rookie to the Twins. Christopher Morel, Cubs. Asa Lacy, Royals. Julio Rodriguez, insert to the Mariners. Second nice Julio Rodriguez of the break. And an Evan White rookie also to the Mariners. Arhari to the Rangers. That's a rookie. Tyler Callahan, Reds. George Kirby, Mariners. Blake Snell, Padres. Tristan McKenzie, Cleveland Indians rookie. Juan Soto, Nationals. Isaiah Green, Indians. Jordan Westburg, Orioles. Cespedes, Meteoric to the White Sox. Gleyber Torres, New York Yankees. 2 packs to go. I really do appreciate y'all being in my break. No breaks tomorrow night. I'll be back Sunday night with 4 good ones. Here's Sam Huff, Rangers rookie. Clayton Beeter, Dodgers. Cole Wilcox to the Rays. Alec Baum, our first Alec Baum of the night, is a renowned rookie to the Phillies. And Xander Bogaerts, Boston Red Sox. We do have a Micah Bell auto tonight for the Phillies, so they haven't had a bad night at all. We'll have a short recap here of the top-loaded cards. Justin Verlander, Astros. Cade Cavalli, Washington. J.T. Ginn, Mets. Dylan Carlson, St. Louis Cardinals. And George Springer, Houston Astros. Toronto Blue Jays. Toronto Blue Jays. All right, here's what we got. The ice foil Buster Posey to 299. Bobby Miller autograph to 199. Alex Bregman green to 99. Micah Bell autograph. Out of Bowman Chrome, we got a Nick York Blue Mojo numbered to 150. And we got a Topps Chrome Clark Schmidt rookie green numbered to 199. We got a Sam Huff autograph out of Optic. A Christian Pache silver rated rookie out of Optic. A Mike Trout silver out of Optic. And out of Prism, we got a Jazz Chisholm, Cosmic Wave, and an Edouard Colina signature, debut signatures, rookie autograph to the Minnesota Twins. That was fun. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a great weekend, and I hope to see you Sunday. I've got 2 or 3 breaks, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then back to work next Friday. But y'all enjoy your weekend, because I sure need to. Thanks, Robert. Good night.